Hey, it's Mark Tompkins from Buzz Marketing. I'm here with Chris at Okanagan Peak Performance. Now, Chris, can you tell everybody kind of what the business is all about?
Yeah, so Okanagan Peak Performance, I guess, like the reason we exist is that when we exercise, we feel better. And whether that's exercise or going to a day at Big White or getting out on the bike or anything active related, we feel better after we do it. And not only do we feel better, we feel happier. And so that our mission then is to deliver as many fitness solutions to people in Kelowna as possible. So, we work alongside happier business owners, and we send our kids to school and have happier teachers, and are on sports teams, happier coaches, so that trickle down effect. So that's why we exist, is we're trying to make this the best community it can be.
Awesome. So I know you deal with a lot of high-end athletes, in various different sports. So tell us a little bit about who those people are and what sports you deal with.
Yeah, okay. So we do work with a number of athletes at either an elite or Olympic or professional level. So we've worked with Olympians in hockey and marathoning. Melindy Elmore has been to the Olympics and now trying to get back to the Olympics in the marathon as the Canadian record holder. Axel Merckx is a bronze medalist in cycling. Kira Smith is a 2016 Olympian and hopefully going back to Tokyo this year. Taylor Ruck is a two-time medalist in Rio in swimming as well. So hope I'm not forgetting anyone. But yeah,
that's a lot of really high-end athletes. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's a good variety, and the best part is they're great athletes, but they're even better people.
Yeah. So with the high-end athletes that you work with, why do they choose you, and why does it work for them?
I think that the relationship is a big part of it. You can have solid information in a lot of places, but it comes down to the relationship, and we spend a lot of time to get to know our clients and to find out what is each person unique. Some people, some athletes, they may not do too much to get ready for their sport. Then there's some that they'll do some things, but maybe it's not the right things. And then there's others that they're doing the right things, but is it really specific to them? So we try to go to that next level and figure out what are your particular needs, what are your motivators and drivers, what are the obstacles that hold you back, and making sure that we approach it kind of holistically. It's not all just about the training. There's the recovery, the nutrition and mindset, and tissue management. So we've got a good IS team, or an integrated support team of other therapists and practitioners in town. So I think the athletes, they appreciate that it's a very comprehensive plan, that it's about them, it's personalized, and that they get a great result in the end.
Awesome. So if somebody wants to do business with you, what is that process? You're a high-end athlete and you're trying to just get to that next level, or just keep that performance level, at the same time as you progress and maybe get older. What does that process look like?
Yeah, so with an interested athlete, first it starts with a conversation. It's a relationship, it's not transactional. And we work with a lot of athletes during their amateur careers, then potentially when they go pro, and then into retirement. A lot of them still train with us as well. So our goals for all athletes are, one, let's figure out what you need to do well in your sport. Let's eliminate any of your weak links. Let's make sure that you're playing at your highest level and contributing, getting the playing time and the exposure, the results that you're seeking. And then lastly, let's give you skills for life, because you may not be an athlete your whole life, but you have to live with this body your whole life. You have to be a functioning member of society. You have to set a good example for others, whether it's your kids or you become a coach or an educator, be that good example as well.
Yeah.
So that's kind of how we approach the process and the philosophy for all the athletes we work with.
Nice. So if I, just as a Kelowna citizen, I like to stay fairly fit. What's a process to maybe get me to that next level? Take my 2 abs to 6, or whatever that looks like. What does that process look like?
Yeah. So initially, it starts with a conversation. We want to make sure that what you're looking for is what we offer. Does that match up? And then we want to know, we're looking for people that are direction and not destination based. It's not I want to make this team and then I'll stop doing what I'm doing, or I want to place or win or podium and then I'll stop. It's kind of that ongoing commitment. So we're looking for people that are a little bit direction-based rather
Yep.
than just destination.
Yep.
We want to make sure that the commitment level is there. We also want to know that they recognize this is multifaceted, and all of the things they have to do outside of here. So, and ultimately that personalities mesh. We have a pretty corny sense of humor and some of the references, and we want to be able to say that we can have fun and we can enjoy the process, so that it's just a good fit.
Yeah, for sure, and have that personal connection. Well, thanks so much for having us here, and I appreciate the time.